Ever wondered why we yawn? It's something we do every day, but the reason behind it might surprise you. Yawning is actually a natural reflex. But did you know it's not just because we're tired? Some experts believe yawning helps us regulate our brain temperature. When you yawn, the deep inhale allows cool air to enter your mouth, which helps cool down your brain and keep it at an optimal temperature for focus. There's also another theory that yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, you might start yawning too. It's believed that this could be tied to empathy. When we see others yawn, it triggers a response in our brain, making us yawn as well. So next time you yawn, just remember, it might not just be because you're sleepy, but your brain is keeping itself cool, and maybe you're showing a little empathy too.